Hey guys, so what I'm doing is I'm taking the step 1 from that kit, and as you see I did one nail already. I couldn't wait, but I'm going to apply that onto the fingernail. I've also applied tips on prior, and now I'm going to dip it into the green powder that also came in the kit as well. I'm just going to put it in there like a scooping motion, and then you want to tap that excess powder off. And you also can use a brush also to kind of get any more of the powder that's on there that didn't come off with the tapping. It doesn't come in the kit, but I recommend that you use one. Once you've dusted off the powder, what I'm going to do is go in again and do a second coat. And this is using the first step and dipping it back into the powder. You just want to do that until you kind of, get your desired thickness to it. Now for the accent nail, I am taking it says that it's silver, but it totally does not look silver. It kind of looks like white, I don't know. But I'm taking that powder and I'm going to apply that on the accent nail. And I'm just going to complete the same steps as I did before. Now I'm going to take this second step from the kit and I'm going to apply that onto all of the nails that I dipped. I guess this is like the activator step. But, I mean, really it was already basically hard. But, gotta follow the rules, the directions. So yeah, I'm gonna apply that to all of my nails. Now I'm gonna take the buffer that came in the kit. The buffer was kind of like poorly made, I would say. I mean, like it had a hard side, the soft side, hard side. I don't know, but anyway, we're just gonna use the hard side, and we just gonna go and buff that down to make it smooth. Can't be walking around with no nail that's like got ridges and jaggeds and stuff. That's just not cool. And they snag on your hair or something. It's not cool. So just gonna buff out all of the nails. And I can say this much, using that buffer, like it kind of got a little bit of tiresome. I can't even talk right. Let's just say I got tired of using the buffer. So I had to go get out the big guns. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this drill to file down the nails, make them smoother. Because as I stated, that buffer, it was just, I kind of got a little bored. But yeah, I'm just going to smooth around the nail. And like I said, it's pretty hard, so just gonna, continue to keep doing that to all of the nails. Now that I've buffed out all of the nails, I'm going to take step number 3, which is the top coat. It's like a shine, gives it a shine. And yeah, it was kind of hard to open, so yeah, I had to use that mouth. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply that to all of the nails. give it a nice evenly coat over the nails. You guys, y'all know how to paint fingernails. I don't have to explain that. So I'm all done applying that top coat to the nail, and this is what the nails look like. Yeah, my hands need a little bit of moisturizer. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something about that around those cuticles. But yeah, so I'm back. Of course, I just could not leave well enough alone. It's been a long time since I've had short fingernails, so of course I had to add a little bling. And yeah, we got some lubricant around those cuticles because they was looking a little ashy. But yeah, this is the final look. And so far, we're gonna see how long this lasts. They say 21 days. I'm sure gonna let you know. Is it worth the $20?